You got Jim's mobile pool here. My little daughter Ellie. We can cut the grass and keep an eye on the kids while they're swimming. Yeah, way better than that fancy city stuff.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play.
How's the swimming? How's the water?
Where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. How often at night, when the heavens are bright with the light of the glittering stars,